नंगे पैर जाना।
मैं आगे बैठा जो कितने
आगे
आगे है ना।
Who's driving?
Me.
Wait, फिर आगे ही है ना?
Okay. फिर मैं सोचा कि तू
Jyoti.
Yes. Yeah, looks fine.
Should we go?
Yes, let's go.
We need to go to the reception first.
Yeah.
Okay.
दो जड़ा भी last time अंदर गया सी कार।
Never
mind.
Have you got the key for the place?
The key for the place?
Yeah.
For the place, no?
Oh wait, I have it. मेरे हाथ से दे बेटा। We'll lock up है ना before going. चलिए।
चलो चलिए।
Queenstown.
Yeah.
चलिए।
Oh, after me.
Driver पे लो।
Okay.
Do you want to turn the light off? अभी खाता है। Mango.
What's that? What?
Mango and cream.
Oh.
Same.
तस्वीर विचों निकल के बाहर आ जावे जिंदगी जियाऊगी ओ सिंगल तो यार छोटा डबल होया एक चूड़े वाली जिंदगी जियाऊगी अपने ख्यालां विच तेरी फोटो जड़ के अखां बंद करा सीने उत्ते हथ डाला सोहणिया संगाऊंगी बड़ाए कईयां लईया भैड़ा कईओ कहंदे अड़ बड़ा पर कईयां लई तां साऊ ही बड़ा है
चले
चलो चले
चल चलिए
कैमरे के सामने ही जाना
Yeah, cool. 2 seconds. Jyoti, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Haunted house.
Yeah, and apparently it's one of the scariest places. Ed Sheeran's been here, and it's like a team effort. So if one of us bunks out, that's it. Basically, we all lose our money, and we can't bunk out, and we can't leave halfway. And yeah, so apparently already 5 people are bunked out, 5 groups today. Oh, what's happening to mine? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go now, and I'm sorry for the blurry camera. No, it's dark.
Yeah.
But it's not scary. Does that make sense? Like, the way they jump out, I expect it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
Have you
Is
been
that-
using data?
No.
Because 80%'s gone. So you need to be very careful now, okay? I've just limited yours now.
Kids, wait, no, you screamed as well, Amrit. I heard your screams.
Yeah, मैं पता क्यों करता?
क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं ना, I wanted them to scare us even more.
Right?
Yeah, because I remember her clearly saying, if you guys enjoy it, then they will enjoy it and they'll, you know, do it more.
Yeah.
So that's why I was trying. But I think I was overreacting.
What did I keep saying?
You just kept saying, no, don't, please.
Don't do that.
Yeah, you were just like, no, I
Don't
can't
do
go. I'm gonna stop it now. I'm gonna stop.
I'll be like, I can see you, don't go away. Oh, that was Okay, you have to admit. Wait, was it better than that Spook's place you went?
Yeah, it was a lot better.
What was it the same as this or different?
Yeah, it's no. Oh, ज़्यादा outfit दीदा पाजी नु बहुत पसंद लगना पाजी.
Yeah.
Spooker दिया पाकुर रंगा किधर? तो पापकर.
Papakur.
बहुत नेड़े है. उत्थे ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. ठीक है? ਉਹ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਉਹ open ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਦੀਦਾ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਆ.
I feel like that one's better.
ਪਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਆ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁੱਟਣਾ. ਪਰ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ
Yeah, if you say stop, they'll stop.
ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਟਾਪ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਰਾਉਂਦਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ
So if you say stop, they'll stop.
Yeah. ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਦਾ ਏਦਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ
That's like me though. I was like, don't do that, and I would start screaming.
But that's because like they wouldn't want to kick you out, obviously, because you've paid for it. But then like you know how like some people get really like you know how shit scared you were.
Oh my god, I was like, you know what it felt like? Like I was in a horror movie.
Yeah.
It actually felt like I was in a horror movie because I couldn't see anything,
Yeah,
couldn't
you
feel
didn't know
anything.
what was coming
There was
your way.
suspense. On top of that, the roads were like this, so it wasn't a straight line.
Roads.
The little tunnels, Hannah.
Yeah.
It was like bendy and it was like sharp corners.
And we had to duck down as well.
Yeah, we had to duck down.
Surprised we did it.
And then you know like how some areas were blocked off, so I got really confused where to go because it got blocked off because they were gonna trap us and scare us.
Oh yeah, they changed the lights in between.
Yeah,
Oh, I can't. I'm out of data.
ਲੇਡੀ ਆ ਨਾ
I'll do it. Don't worry.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ
Wait, what?
like the address I've got
What, the Indian restaurant?
oh yeah Indian.
No, the Indian restaurant's where we had yesterday, the subway area. So it's literally when we enter the town, it's on the right hand side.
ਆਪਣਾ ਟਾਊਨ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ
It was
Cromwell
Cornwall. I keep thinking Cornwell because Cornwall because we have Cornwall in England.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
So yeah. That haunted house was too scary though. That's the first. I peed. I actually peed. I'm not kidding. I actually peed. Yes, Jyoti. मैं देंदी है 2 सेकंड.
Shit, I forgot.
No, 2 सेकंड.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਔਖੇ ਹੋਣਾ.
Okay, मैं कर दी है. Yeah. No, I actually peed myself. I'm not kidding.
We know.
she's like so proud of it.
No, and then I would like cross my legs, duck down, and I'm like, I can't move. If I move, I'm gonna be scared, and then I'm gonna pee myself.
We were like, what's happening? What?
And I could see, you know how the shadows, and you're like, just go. And I'm like, no, I can't just go. I'm gonna shit myself.
Because there was something behind us as well, touching our legs, so we were just like, ah.
I couldn't move forward, and he wanted me to
Yeah,
go
and we
forward.
kept on pushing Buddy, and he was like, stop.
Like, don't push.
Because you were like on full stop. Right?
I was like, I can't move.
That was fine. You guys thought I'd be the one who was the most.
Yeah, I mean,
You were like, don't chicken out, Nick. I was laughing in there.
I know, I was just like, okay, I want to laugh, but like some situation I was like, okay, I don't know where to go, I don't know what to do, I can't see anything, someone's gonna drop me out. As in, you know, they have like the dangly things. I kept thinking that something hitting my face,
Oh my god.
like creepy, and I would like, like don't
Cringe.
put me on edge.
Oh, that was good.
It was good. And now we can have food.
Oh, I'm starving.
We can get food, and then movie and food. We'll get takeaway.
What movie will we watch?
Whatever's on TV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully there is one on TV.
No, there will definitely be a Disney one on. They have one every like.
What one did we watch yesterday?
It was some crazy one that reminds me of Ahmed. Yeah, llama one. Indian takeaway, and I'm pretty sure there's a storm coming because it's just got black all of a sudden. This happened literally before we were driving down here. It went like this, and there was winds and everything flying as well. And then literally found out on the news that there was a tornado coming. There was a tornado where we just passed. So at the moment things aren't looking good. Hopefully tomorrow the storm passes and things are good to go.
What? 5G. Oh, news live.
But we're not cooking it. That's for cooking.
He's gone on to add also tonight, telling us, he said, listen, this was raised 14 months ago. She reviewed and verified